Welcome back to Muendamberi Academy. Today we are going to revise the part of this paper which is Cambridge O-level mathematics. So I have just extracted questions from number 1 up to number 3. So this will help you as mathematics, ZIMSEC and Cambridge students. So I hope you find this paper helpful to you as part of your revision for 2026. So without wasting our time, guys, let's open this paper. So there is an instruction here. They are saying calculators must not be used in this paper because it's paper 1. So for the first question, it's saying write 2,70486 correct to 3 decimal places. So this is rounding off. So they are saying we have to round 2.70486 to 3 decimal places. So we have to count the 3 decimal place digit, which is as soon after the comma we count 1, 2, 3. So this is our 3 decimal place. So we are saying 2,70486 like this. So at 3 decimal place 1, 2, 3 we underline 4. Then we consider 8. If 8 is 5 is greater or equal to 5, we just round up. So this 8 is greater than 5, so we add 1 here, it becomes 5. So our solution becomes 2 comma these digits, they don't change, it's 7 0. So for 4 we add 1 because 8 is greater than 5, it becomes 5. Then 8 and 6 will become 0 0. So there is no need to write that because we have to leave our answer to 3 decimal places. So for the solution, we write 2,705. Remember, you have to show working and to write your solutions clearly so that the examiners can see your solutions. So we move on to number 2. It's saying simplify 10y minus 2y plus 5y. So these are algebraic expressions. So what we need is to collect like terms and simplify them. So 10y minus 2y, we get 8y plus 5y. So we get 13y. So this gives us 13y. So we write 13y here. So that's our solution. So because time is very important, you have to manage your time very well. So let's move on to number 3. So on number 3 we are given an instruction and a graph. So it's saying the bar chart shows the marks are scored by a group of students in a test. So there are some students who wrote a test and got some marks. So on the horizontal axis, it's showing the scores scored. And the vertical axis is showing the frequency, which is the number of students who scored those marks. So the marks are ranging from 0 to 10. Right? So they are saying on part A, write down the mode. So in statistics, what we call the mode is the range with the highest frequency. Okay, the group with the highest frequency. So here, this is the list, and this is the highest frequency. No, this is the least frequency, and this one is the highest frequency. Okay, so we say the mode is 9. So our mode Our mode is score 9. Okay, that's our mode. So this is the mode score. Okay, so for the part B, they are saying work out the total number of students in the group. So we need to find the total number of students in the group. So here this axis is showing the number of students who got these marks. Okay, so for the students who got 4 marks, they are 2. So we now count the number of students, which is 2. So we are saying to count the number of students in the group, 2 plus the students who got 5 marks, they are 3. So plus 3 plus the students who got 6, it's 1, plus the students who got 7 is 3, plus the students who got 8 marks, they are 5. Then the students who got 9, they are 6, plus the students who got 10 marks, they are also 5. Then we count at the total. So 2 plus 3, we get 5, plus 1, we get 6, plus 3, we get 9, then plus 5, we get 14, then plus 6, we get alright, we are saying 2 plus 3, we get 5, then plus 1, we get 6, plus 3, we get 9, plus 5, we get 14, plus 6, we get 20, then plus 5, we get 25. Okay, so that's it. So the total is 25. That's the total number of our students. Okay, so the other question is saying find the median score. Okay, so for us to find the median score, what we need to find is to know the students at the middle part. Okay, so how do we find the number of students? So we say the total number of students divided by 2, which is to find the middle main or the middle person. So we say 25 all over 2. So which is this one is 12,5. So that's the students, the 11th student and the 12th student. So we want to find the mark scored in between the 11th student and the 12th student. So here we said these are 2 students, then plus 3 here is 5, then plus 1 is 6, then plus 3 is 9, then plus 5, 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay, so okay, we are saying here we have got 2 students, here 5, then plus 1 is 6, then plus 3 is 9, then here the score is 8. Okay, so here we have got 14 students. So okay, there is the 14th student here and the 13th students, 12th student and 11th student and the 10th. So on this bar we are saying, okay, we have got here first on the 80th score, we have got the 10th student up to 14th student. So these students have the same mark. So meaning to say their score, if we find the median or the average, is also 8. it is the same because they all have 8. So if we say for the 11th student, we say he or she has scored 8 marks. Then the other one, which is the 12th student, has also scored 8. So if we add and divide by 2, we also get 8. So meaning to say our median score is 8. So that's how we find the median score. So that's it on this paper. I hope you find it very well and helpful. So don't forget to like, comment and share, then subscribe as usual so that you see more videos which are coming. So I will see you in the next videos. Thank you so much.